Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Charles Schwab with the Merrill Edge. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what I actually recommend for you to use. Then I'm going to compare fees, and then I will look also on markets and products and customer support. So let's start. Now, use Merrill Edge if you have account in Bank of America. This is a huge advantage only because you would get rewards for cashback for platinum owners or platinum or gold based on how much money you have on your account, like combined. If you have 50k on Merrill Edge and 50k on Bank of America, you would get these kind of rewards also for groceries, also for, I don't know, gas. So that's really good, and this is a huge advantage that I see personally. On Charles Schwab is okay. I mean, the comparison based on just the brokers is hard because both got free ETF and free stock trading. The options, when I look on options, is 0.65 per contract on Merrill Edge. But what you can do, guys, is if you want to buy options or like trade options on Merrill Edge, and if you're gonna have like 50, 100k on your account, you can actually write to the Merrill Edge to lower your fee on options, and maybe they will lower it. But on the other hand, I recommend like day trading. I would go with Robinhood or Webull or like Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers. I wouldn't personally use Merrill Edge for day trading. I would use Merrill Edge for long-term investing into ETFs and stocks, and that's same for Charles Schwab. So that's what I would do. Now, when you would go to the Charles Schwab fees, bond fees, options, also 0.65 per contract. So this is like copy paste. They got both similar fees. Now, account opening is similar. Trading platform, okay. Markets and products, you can see it right here. I can see, like, show you here. Charles Schwab offers you futures. Merrill Edge doesn't have it. Now, customer service is okay. Many people are saying that Charles Schwab got better customer support. That Merrill Edge customer support is kind of a mech. But again, this is up to you when you're gonna have something to solve, and you will see it by yourself. Now, again, as I mentioned, the fees are similar. They are low and free. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. Use Merrill Edge if you want to actually, if you have an account in Bank of America, that's really great. But I don't know if I would actually use Charles Schwab or Merrill Edge for day trading, because I would use Robinhood because it feels like video game and it's easiest to lose money there comparing to these two. And or Thinkorswim or Interactive Brokers, that would be my choice. But you're not going to make a mistake if you choose Charles Schwab or Merrill Edge. This is what I wanted to say in this video. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.